We have been seeing this little device all over the internet and I finally have my hands on one. I'm going to show you the Vraiko Lilac 7-in-1 Beauty Massager for the face and the neck, and I'm actually giving it a try with one of their amazing serums as well. As we get into this video, I'm going to show you how to use this, what are the benefits, who is it great for, and I'm going to show you kind of like a step-by-step tutorial as well. So let's get started. Let me give you some information on this amazing device here, and I know you're going to love the price on this one as well, trust me. I test out a lot of different skincare devices, and it's rare that you find one with this many benefits at this price range, so that should excite everyone. I will be sure to put the link for this product and the serum below, and if I can get a discount code for you, of course I will put that down there as well. And if you have any questions along the way, just leave a comment for me because I'm here and happy to help. So let's dive into what this device is, what is it good for, and who will use this. So again, this is called the Lilac 7-in-1 Beauty Massager for face and neck. This is by Vraiko, and this helps with lifting the jawline, firming the face. It helps with lymphatic drainage. It's anti-aging. It helps with wrinkles, forehead lines, and dark circles. So the advanced skincare technology is an experience from professional grade care. It has 7 massage modes to deeply relax the skin, minimize pores, and boost production absorption. So this helps visibly smooth fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven tone for that radiant, youthful glow that we all love. This is targeted facial and neck rejuvenation. So the ergonomic curved head contours perfectly to your face, your neck, and your under eye areas, delivering a lifting massage to firm the jawline, smooth wrinkles, and revitalize skin with precision. It's also an ideal tool to drain lymphatic fluids for the neck and the face. Another benefit is enhanced skincare experience. This all-in-one device combines microcurrent, 7-level LED care, the thermal technology to enhance absorption, radiance, elasticity, and contouring. The innovative fusion of these technologies working together to give your skin a rejuvenating boost, enhancing firmness, and leaving you with a smooth, glowing complexion. It's a spa-like simplicity at home. So you just apply the serum of your choice. I'm using their serum today, but this helps to glide the device over your skin. There's no complicated steps at all. It's a very intuitive device. It lifts, it sculpts, it enhances absorption of your skincare in just minutes. It's perfect for a busy routine. You can do this every single day, just 3 to 5 minutes over the entire face. It's travel friendly, it's lightweight, it's compact, so you can keep this in your purse or your suitcase. So you can maintain your skincare ritual anywhere, wherever you go, at work, at home, at the gym. It's cordless. You just charge this to make sure that you get enough battery life, and it's also satisfaction guaranteed, so they stand behind their product. So if you're not thrilled with the results that you get from this device, you can contact their customer support, which I love that about this brand. Let me go over what the different colors represent here. So you have the red, which is a 620 nm, and that's going to improve the skin texture and smooth the fine lines. Then you have the green, which is a 520 nm. This calms and reduces visible dullness. Then the blue is 460 nm. That calms and refreshes stressed skin. Then you have the yellow, which is 580 nm, and that boosts radiance and improves skin tone. Then you have cyan, which is 490 nm, and that's going to soothe and comfort sensitive skin. And the purple at 400 nm supports even skin tone and clarity. Then you have white, which is a mix of all of these different LED colors, and that's going to refresh the skin and enhance luminosity. All you have to do is apply your serum or your cleanser and prep your skin for better absorption. Then you do the long press to power on, and then you have those modes 1, 2, and 3, which mode 1 is the clean mode for the deep cleaning of your pores. Then you have the anti-aging mode, which is the second mode, and then you have the heating hot mode. So that's going to help the absorption of your products, and you just choose the right mode for whichever skincare goal you have, and then you're going to glide along the skin for 3 to 5 minutes. You can use this on your cheeks, your jawline, your forehead, your neck, and it's going to give you that refreshing massage. After one use, you are going to notice that beautiful, lifted, tighter looking skin with that beautiful, smooth glow. Enjoy that visible radiance and revitalized look. I think this is a very simple, easy to use device. I think anyone can incorporate this into their skincare routine, especially at the price point. I think it's a wonderful device with so many different options here. And you can really use this with any of your skincare products, which I absolutely love. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and watching me show you how to use this product and some of the benefits to using this skincare device from Vraiko. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'm always here, willing to help you answer any skincare or beauty questions. And if you haven't yet, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos in the future. I hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Take care.